Your purpose. What is it? What is purpose? Purpose is your soul's reason for being on this earth. Your core desire. What is your core desire? The desire that you want to fulfill, that will allow you to live your perfect life. But the thing is, you don't know what it is right now. And if you think that you do, I'm sorry to say, but you're probably delusional. We're not at that stage. Not just yet. My name is Wada, and I help other young men like me take back control of their lives. So we don't know what our core desire in life is right now, but we want to. We need to, if we want to live that perfect, fulfilling life. Maybe for you, that perfect life is that house in the countryside. You've put in the hard work and you're successful and have a good amount of wealth. You have a wife and kids, and you're just sat out in the garden looking across your land, having a cigar or I don't know, whatever. But we don't know what our core desire is because we have had so many other desires put on top of it. Maybe your parents, they looked at you and they were like, hey, I hope you really get really good grades in school. I hope you get a high status job because that makes me feel better because I worked a shitty job. So, my son, I hope that you get a high status job so that I can feel good. Here is a desire that's just been put over your core desire. Social media. Ah, here's another desire. Teachers. Oh, here's another desire. Binge watching Netflix series. Oh, here's another desire. Let's put all of these other desires all over, piling on top of your core desire, the one that you are meant to fulfill. By the time you're 10 or a teenager, or maybe even getting close to my age, you have these hundreds of millions of desires, and right in the middle, right in the center, is your core desire. But it's surrounded by all this other shit. Gotta act like this in school so I can get more friends. Gotta get those clothes because everyone else is gonna be wearing those clothes. And gotta get the AirPods because everyone else is getting those AirPods. For me at the time, that's what it was for me. Everyone, like, AirPods first came out and then everyone was getting them. Gotta get these grades so I can get into the same college as all my friends are getting to. All of this just keeps piling up, and then you wake up. You start watching shit like this. People like Hamza, Iman Gadshi, Andrew Huberman. Yes, okay, men's mental health. That's a thing. Okay, self-improvement. I want to improve. I want to get better. And yes, this is all good. But this is still desires. We are still putting desires on you. Yes, we are doing it too. I don't know how many other YouTubers will tell you that my end goal is for you to never need to watch my videos again, or anything else. That you've taken back control of your life and you are living a fulfilling, good, happy life. That's my end goal for you. I don't know how many YouTubers will tell you that. You have hundreds, hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions of desires that are mixed up with your core desire right now. See, this is why I don't use social media anymore, or I don't go to the gym anymore. And I built my own gym in my house, in the room behind me. Because one day I was in the gym, right? I was feeling pretty good about myself. I was on self-improvement, meditating every day, self-journaling, gratitude journaling as well. I was feeling pretty damn good, going to the gym. And I was on the rowing machine warming up, and this guy walks past me. And he's bigger than me. He's big, he's got bigger arms, bigger biceps, more muscular, bigger veins. And suddenly, my brain and my heart creates a new desire. Oh, maybe I should go on a bulk. Or maybe I should start heavily putting in effort into Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu right now. Because in case we ever get into a fight, I can take him on, even though he's bigger than me. I instantly created this desire in my mind, and I start daydreaming this shit years down the line. And before I even realize it, damn, I just created a whole life plan. I set out a whole life plan, which I could have followed. Put in loads of effort into bulking. Put heavily amounts of effort into Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and become a master at that. Just because that a dude who walked past me, I didn't know him, was slightly bigger than me. And then I started to look around the room in the gym, and I noticed that my brain creates so many desires so easily. And it's the same on YouTube. Oh, the top 3 best ways to make £10,000 a month. Oh, 7 best business modules. Oh, how to make money online. All this kind of like shit. You have so many desires right now. And maybe that's really stressful for you. Maybe you don't even realize it, but you're really stressed out. But you have this one core desire that you were meant to fulfill. What you were meant to do. Apparently, by fulfilling this, you will have the most beautiful, fulfilling life. This is what I've learned from a bunch of the spiritual teachers that I've read, or I've learned from personally. Purpose has been battered around. The word has been used as so much on YouTube, and it has so many different meanings now. So when you hear the word purpose, maybe you think, oh, yeah, that means working hard, right? Yeah, your purpose. But it doesn't. And we know that now. You can see how this could save you decades of your life. Hopefully this has helped you out. Stay consistent and do the best you can. Love you, bro. Mwah.